Hi, this is Rochelle, the DIY affiliate, and today we're going to be doing cat grass. And cats love this. So this is the kit. This is what you'll get with it. This is what it looks like, as you can see here. And you get this tray, this germination soil pod right here, and your seeds. Okay, so let's get started. Also, you will need 20 ounces of lukewarm water. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so you take a container that will hold 20 ounces of a lukewarm water, or you can use distilled water or filtered water. And then you take your premium grow mix, which is in the form of a pellet like this, and you can see how thin it is right now, and you place it into the water. You submerge it into the water, and then as you can see, as it's absorbing the water, it'll start to grow. So I'm just leaving that in there, and waiting for that to expand. And as you can see, is expanding right now. You could see the water actually going down. So in the meantime, I just want to give you some information while this is actually absorbing the water. So the plants can be started indoors and eventually placed outside. Cat grass will grow all year round, but it does need lots of light. And also, the benefits for a cat, the advantages of cat grass. It acts as a laxative and helps with the passage of hairballs through the system. Contains some nutrients which aren't a part of their normal carnivorous diet. May provide your cat with certain vitamins and nutrients that a cat may be lacking. A chemical-free controlled source of fiber. Indoor cat grass is worry-free. Many cats seem to get enjoyment from nibbling on the grass. And I might add that if you do have house plants around, that it can help your house plants to be able to live longer, as your cats will be eating the cat grass instead of your house plants. And some houseplants are dangerous to cats. So as you can see, the soil is growing here. Okay, so then what you would do is this package of seeds right here. Okay, so the mixture is pretty well, when you can move it with a fork like this, you know that it's ready to go. So then all you do is take some of your mixture here, and you fill up this planter right here that you get with your kit. You fill this up 90%. So it's now filled up 90%. And you take your seeds that you get in your bag, which I've opened. And here are the seeds right here. And you sprinkle them on. Wow, this looks like a lot of seeds in here. Okay, and then you take what's left of your mixture and put it lightly on top. Just like that. Just so it covers the seeds. And I know it looks a little weird right now, and it actually looks like it. Okay. So you put this on so that it covers your seeds. And I'm just gonna put this on so that it covers the seeds up. Okay. So there, it's now covering the seeds. And then you take your top part, you put it on. You make sure that it's on securely. And then this part on the top is your ventilation. And you want to make sure that this is closed. You can open it later on when your grass starts growing, but right now you want to keep it closed. So you turn this to closed position, and then from there you take your total planter with everything in it, and you make sure you put it into a sunny spot. You have to make sure that it's in a sunny spot and that sunlight has access to it in order for it to germinate and grow. So it needs the heat. So this is the DIY affiliate saying good luck and happy grass growing. So just remember that sharing knowledge is free, and we can all freely share our knowledge. And I hope that this reaches somebody who has a cat who really needs to have this cat grass in their home. So have yourself a wonderful day. Bye now.